Hi, let's talk about this custom door pull. This door pull is round and it is our hand-sculpted faceted design. It has a beautiful glimmer that changes as the light changes and as you walk by it. This door pull is mounted on a pivot door. The pivot door is 5 feet wide by about 8.5 feet tall. The door pull is 64 inches. So the length and the position of this door pull on this pivot door is such that there's plenty of space underneath, beside, and on top. So it creates a very nice backdrop. The focal point of this pivot door is the pull. The backdrop is a raw steel skin, so it's a nice modern industrial look. If you'd like more information on making your door a major statement piece, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll call you. Thank you.